What a brilliant question. Let me explain. So in the example, I added these two together because they're in the same family, and I did 2x squared plus 3x squared equals 5x squared. Okay, and then you said, like, what happens if x equals 2? That the kind of maths doesn't pan out. So watch this. So it would be 2, and then I'd put the 2 in here squared, plus 3, and I'd put the 2 in here squared. Yeah? So that's me replacing the x with a 2, replacing the x with a 2, just like you said. Okay? If you remember from BIMDAS, so brackets first. Remember, if you have a sum in a bracket, you do that first. So we don't have a sum in a bracket, we just have a number in a bracket. But next is indices. BIMDAS, the I is indices, which means we need to do this bit next. Yeah? So I leave the 2 alone, and then I do the bit in the circle, which is 2 squared, and that's 4. And then here I leave the 3 alone, and I do the bit in the brackets, which is 2 squared again, which is 4. Now I have BIM multiplies, and remember brackets mean multiply. So I do this multiplication here, 2 times 4 to make 8, plus I do this multiplication here, 3 times 4 gives you 12. And then I have BIMDAS, so I have no division, so I do my addition, and I end up with 20. Okay, and you said that you didn't think that was the same as 5x squared. Let's have a look. So 5, replace the x with a 2 squared. Following BIMDAS, I have to do the indice first. So I leave the 5 alone, and 2 squared is 4, and 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, so it is the same. Absolutely excellent question. Very impressed. But hopefully that explains that it is the same. Okay, so when you simplify the way I showed you to in the example, if you were asked to sub in a number, it does work. All right, hope that helps.